everyone, welcome back. Last time, we covered the hardware design of the Creader TPMS 511S version 2. Now, it's time to look at the software side and key functions you will actually use every day in your workshop. The Creader TPMS 511S version 2 is compatible with almost all TPMS-equipped vehicles, and it can activate every 315 and 433 MHz sensor on the market. With it, technicians can easily activate, read, program, and relearn TPMS sensors. Plus, launch sensors can be reprogrammed as many times as you need. Here, you will find the TPMS and OE inquiry menus. These make it simple to locate issues and quickly access original sensor information. The 511S version 2 also comes with full OBD2 functions, 12 service resets, a built-in DTC library, providing quick fault code lookup for faster diagnostics. And if you ever run into trouble, just use the remote assistance. Our team can support you in real time. For software updates, this tool is lifetime free via Wi-Fi, so you are always up to date with the latest vehicle models. The 511S version 2 is a plug-and-play TPMS service tool. It can guide you through every TPMS task step by step. It supports sensor activation, quick programming, copy and create, TPMS relearn, and launch sensor detection. That's all for today. In the upcoming videos, we will show each function in real vehicles. Got TPMS issues? Start with the Creader TPMS 511S version 2.